So we are at the forefront of the evolution of consciousness as it has evolved through millennia. We're the epitome of it in this domain at this moment. We all have within us a potentiality. Education is to inform us about the content and has to do with the world of form. The spiritual reality, which everyone seeks, when they reach a certain level of consciousness, they begin to intuit it. And then they get captivated, and then they get captured by the gravity. They get captured by the gravity of the potential of their own future. People think they're driven by the past. You're not driven by the past. You're attracted by the future. And the future has been set by your own intention. The intention to become enlightened, then, is why everybody is here and why they're all going to be enlightened.